Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tasty chicken stock full guide. Start by gathering bones, vegetables, aromatics, and cold water, then prep and roast bones if desired. Use a large pot, maintain a low simmer, and avoid boiling to keep the stock clear and flavorful. Skim impurities and strain through a fine sieve, cool quickly, and refrigerate or freeze in portions for easy use. Select quality ingredients and treat them gently to coax out the best flavor. Use a mix of meaty bones and leftover carcass pieces, and consider roasting for richer color. Add aromatic vegetables and herbs, but avoid overloading with salt at this stage. Keep a handful of parsley stems, peppercorns, and a bay leaf for depth. Remember that patience during a slow simmer produces a tastier, more gelatinous stock every time. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making cooking guides for you. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidying up after soup nights effortless, and it even navigates under countertops so you spend less time sweeping. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Manage the simmer and finish with care to achieve the best texture and taste. Maintain a low simmer for several hours, tasting occasionally and adjusting aromatics but not salt. Once flavorful, strain through a fine mesh and cool rapidly to below refrigeration temperature, then skim off excess fat when chilled. Label and portion into containers so you can thaw only what you need and enjoy the rich, versatile base in many recipes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.